Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the stuff I keep in my tackle box for summer fishing. So first up we have some bobbers, 4-inch slider worms, we have 2 frogs, they're identical, so we have these Senkos made by Yum, generic, I have a ton of 1-ounce pyramid sinkers. I have these 1993 old split shot weights, and my tackle box is 1993 made by Plano. Just this multi-tool just in case. I have a shad kit. So this has these weird yellow ones. These things, which are my favorite, and we have those. So yep, that's what's in the shad kit. Moving on, we have some Snell's size, 10, 12, 8, 4, 6, 2. We have some crawfish. They're good for bass fishing. And last thing, we have some. Actually, it's not last thing, but it's 1993 Snell's made by Eagle Claw. This is the last thing. It's shrimp that I use for saltwater fishing. So be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos this summer about fishing, probably bass. So be sure to stay tuned for that, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.